I'm Jeannie, your Miami Realtor, and today we're in North Pinecrest on a property that's on the corner of 57th Avenue and North Kendall Drive. Beautiful estate, 37,000 square foot lot with a 7,500 square foot home, 7 bedrooms, 7 baths. I want to show you this beautiful Mediterranean inspired estate. Come on inside. It's a true Florida home because it has the indoor and the outdoor living. Let's show you around a little bit. So the high ceilings immediately catch your attention. The windows allow the light to come in. Beautiful fireplace, which adds that old world charm. Formal bar area. This area works great to greet your guests. Next, we have the formal dining room, which greets you again with high ceilings, a trade ceiling, the beautiful moldings, large enough to seat a 12-person table here, the stone floors, and with the beautiful doors that let you into this interior courtyard, which is very Mediterranean. Let's talk about the kitchen. This is one of the greatest updated spaces in the home. We have the white cabinetry, the gas range, Wolf. We have incredible, the appliances, the Sub-Zero refrigerator, the marble countertops. We have the oversized lamp pendants over the island area, which also serves as additional storage space in the home. And one of the things I love about this kitchen is this beautiful arched windowway that also shows that beautiful indoor courtyard off of the dining room. Next to the kitchen, we have a beautiful eat-in dining room area, which feels modern and relaxed and also gives access to the exterior of the home while providing additional informal space for family gatherings. Now we move into the family room. Again, nice high ceilings, trade ceilings with all of the moldings. Great access to the outside, the pool and the patio, another type of loggia patio, which reaches out to this beautiful pool and pickleball court right in the back. As we continue through the home, the staircase is a grand architectural statement. You've got the wrought iron rails and the chandelier, the high double height ceilings, and this beautiful L-shaped tour of the staircase. The walls in the area are nice and clean, which let the wrought iron of this beautiful banister really stand out. Landing off of the main staircase is grand and nice, which leads you straight into all of the bedroom areas. Here we have a double-doored entrance into the primary suite area. Again, a very spacious bedroom with its own private little balcony, windows that allow the light to come in, and then we have this right in here, this foray right in here into a sumptuous primary suite enclave. Here we have the dual sinks, the soaking tub, and a beautiful, majestic shower, walk-in shower with a rain shower feature at the top. Architectural feature to this home is the interior stairwell that's also off of the kitchen. It's always nice to have a secondary stairwell in the home so that you don't always have to come down the main staircase in case you want to go behind the scenes and just straight into the kitchen. The house also has this great flex space, which kind of is the bit of the tower right in front of the front door area. And it's so charming. They've used it for a gym, but could be a small office, a meditation, a library. And look at these beautiful wood beam ceilings. Beautiful interior courtyard with this breezeway right here that connects both sides of the house. And then this lush landscaping here. And then always, in a Mediterranean revival, you always have a beautiful fountain with that Alhambra type tile and a lion's head for the water spout. So great feature here at the entrance of the casita. There is a great outdoor summer kitchen, great for entertaining with access to the kitchen, lots of space, lots of lights, high ceilings, wonderful for entertaining. Now we head outside, and here's where the home really becomes special. We've got the beautiful lawn, manicured, tailored for the landscaping. These beautiful arches, not only on the main house, but also on the casita, which is separate, with a beautiful barbecue area. We have the pool, which is quite large, and you're able to do your laps with a spa feature in it as well. Manicured lawns, beautiful pickleball court. Not only is this home beautifully designed architecturally, but the landscaping is also on point.